How to build a smart home. Everything you need to know today. Building a smart home enhances convenience, security, and efficiency with advanced technology. Automated lighting, personalized music, digital assistants, and smart security systems create a seamless experience. Custom systems like smart irrigation save money and benefit the environment while ensuring 24/7 safety. Alexa, Amazon's amiable digital assistant, integrates seamlessly within the expansive Amazon ecosystem, offering robust compatibility with numerous smart devices, including the renowned Ring video doorbells. This integration significantly enhances security features, providing users with comprehensive real-time protection and convenience, making managing home security efficient and straightforward for homeowners. Google Assistant, a highly acclaimed digital assistant developed by Google, excels in managing a vast array of smart devices. It provides users with seamless integration and unmatched comprehensive control over their smart home ecosystem. This ensures an intuitive, efficient automation experience, allowing for effortless management and customization of various connected home devices and features. Apple's Siri, known to iPhone, Apple Watch, Mac users, operates smart home products via Apple HomeKit. The HomePod was pivotal but discontinued in March 2021, revived as HomePod second generation in January 2023. Guides help users enhance Siri capabilities and explore HomePod features.
Go to GearBrain for more information.